Are you looking for the best rowing machine for beginners? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best rowing machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Concept2 RowErg. The Concept2 RowErg, which was previously known as the Concept2 Model D, is the most popular rowing machine on the planet, whether it's in commercial gyms, in competitive events, or in people's homes. The reason that it is so popular is obvious: it is affordable, sturdy, reliable, comfortable, smooth, and ergonomic. The Concept2 RowErg is an air resistance rower with a large flywheel and a 10-setting damper which allows you to adjust the drag or airflow. While all air rowers are noisy, this one is quieter than most, with an average noise output of about 75 dB. The display monitor on the Concept2 is top-notch. It allows you to monitor the following training diagnostics. You will get a comfortable row on this machine thanks to its ergonomically designed seat, adjustable footrests, long rail to provide a full range of motion even for taller users, and smooth, natural gliding motion. The Concept2 RowErg is a foldable machine that comes apart at the rail. It can also be stored in an upright position. Overall, the Concept2 RowErg represents great value for money, providing you with a competition-level rower for under $1,000. Number 2. WaterRower Natural. WaterRower is the original water rowing machine company, and their products have been favorites from the get-go. The WaterRower Natural is a work of art as well as a functional piece of cardio gear. It is crafted from solid ash wood, with a honey oak stained finish. The large padded seat on the WaterRower Natural is larger than most and sits higher than on many other machines. That makes it more comfortable and easier to get on and off of. The rowing action is very smooth and natural, with the gentle whooshing and churning of the water transporting you to the lake for a realistic rowing simulation. The console on this rower is functional and a decent size. However, it is offset and sits a bit too far from the seat for ease of viewing. This machine can be stored upright, but you should empty the tank before doing so. Number 3. Sunny Health & Amp Fitness SFRW 5515. The Sunny Health & Amp Fitness SFRW 5515 is a magnetic rowing machine that provides quality, form, and function at a great price. It provides you with 8 resistance levels, with adjustment controlled by a centrally located knob. There are not as many resistance levels as many competitors, but Sunny claims to have created a new resistance technology that provides greater resistance that is more fluid and smoother. Most users seem to agree based on the reviews. The monitor on this rower is simple but functional, providing you with readouts of your time, strokes, calories, and total strokes. Considering the budget price, the frame on this machine is of good quality. Obviously, it's not as rugged as a $1,000 machine, but it is strong enough to give you a number of years of reliable performance. It comes with a comfortable padded seat and foam-covered non-slip handles. The Sunny Health & Amp Fitness SFRW 5515 is a foldable machine that can be stored in a cupboard or under a bed. It also has transport wheels for ease of movement. Number 4. Echelon RowErg Smart Rower. The Echelon RowErg Smart Rower is a magnetic rower that provides 32 levels of tension adjustment by way of a Bluetooth controller on the handle. It provides a smooth rowing action and is quiet to operate. The 22-inch touchscreen on the Echelon is huge and has the ability to turn 180 degrees. This allows you to follow along with non-rowing exercises when you are off the rower. The seat is comfortable and there is thicker footrest strapping than you get on many other rowers. The Echelon Fit membership plan will cost you $34.99 per month. This will give you access to 5 user profiles and a range of on-demand classes. You can also watch Netflix on screen, provided you've got a subscription. Number 5. NordicTrack RW900. The NordicTrack RW900 is a combination magnetic/air resistance rowing machine. It features a large 22-inch smart screen for script viewing of the onboard workouts, which you can access with a NordicTrack iFit membership for $39 per month. This rower features quiet magnetic resistance technology to provide you with a reduced noise workout, whether you are using air or magnetic resistance. If you choose magnetic, there are 26 preset digital resistance levels. The ergonomic seat is well padded, providing a high level of comfort. The pedals are also placed wider than normal for enhanced ergonomics and comfort. It is a foldable machine that can be stored away with a very small footprint.